Good morning, 6th class. Today our chapter is chapter 1 and name of the chapter is food. Where does it come from? And total 8 topics are there and we are dealing today all of them and one by one. 1.1 name of the topic is food variety. So many foods are available in the market like idli, chapati, rice, dal, sabji, vegetables, right, pulses, right. So here the one common term for all of us is ingredient. Ingredients definition is raw materials for preparing food are called ingredients. In Hindi what you call kacha khadya padarth, right. So kacha raw material then just look here, this figure, what you're observing, these two are idlis, then this one is chutney and this one is sambar, right. So for making roti and chapati, what are the ingredients required? Atta and water. For making dal, what are required? Pulses, water, salt, oil, ghee, spices. Then about idli, what are the ingredients of idli? Raw rice, boiled rice, then there is presence of salt is there, water is there, then a little bit amount of poha is also mixed. Clear? Then next 1.2 is food materials and sources. So just look here, we get food from plants as well as we get food from animals. Animals we get egg, then also we get milk, then meat also get, right. Then cows, goats, buffaloes, they give us milk, very good. Then about plants, all these are plant products, so we get fruits, we get vegetables also, cereals also, grains also. ये सब हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? प्लांट से मिलता है. तो हम अपना खाना कहाँ से लेते हैं? प्लांट से एंड एनिमल से. Then next is about plant parts. Just look here, the diagram of plant, very beautiful plant. So what are the plant parts? Lower one is root system. It consists of roots. The main branch is known as primary root and the branches are known as secondary root. Then the upper system is called shoot system. What all are present? The main stem is there, then all these green structures are leaf, then all these structures are fruit, yellow color flowers are there. So plant has root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. Understood? Then next is plant parts we eat. So we eat leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables in case of spinach. We eat fruits of some plant. Fruits like we have pineapple, apple, banana, apple, right. Then sometimes we eat root also. Root in case of beetroot. Sometimes stem like in case of sugarcane. Then even flowers also. Banana flower we eat. And some of the person eat rose petals also. Then some fruits have 2 or more edible parts. 2 or more edible parts, like in case of the lower one is the example mustard. Mustard plant seeds are used for oil and leaves are used as vegetables, right. Then some of the parts are edible, or edible is known as eatable parts, and some other parts are not edible. For example, in case of mango we eat fruit. हम fruit खाते हैं mango का, लेकिन हम उसका stem नहीं खाते हैं, right. So fruit is eatable and stem is non-eatable, right. Then 1.5 is what do animals eat? Plant animals क्या खाते हैं? So just here we have cat. Cat क्या खाती है? Small animals, birds, milk, right. Then buffalo eat grass, oil cake, hay, grains. Then about animals, on the basis of their eating habit, they are classified into 3 categories: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, right. Then one by one we are dealing all of them with example. So herbivores. Herbivores means animals which eat only plants and plant product. So जो सिर्फ plant खाते हैं और plant के products खाते हैं. Here cow. Sorry, this one is ox. Then this one is squirrel. Squirrel eats nuts. Then carnivores. Animals which eat only animals. जो सिर्फ animals को ही खाते हैं. Like here, one of the example is cat. Other one is whale. Then third type is omnivores. Omnivores which can eat both plants as well as animals, जो दोनों को ही खाते हैं. And one of the example is human, other one is hen. And then these are the keywords, total 7 present in your textbook. And in the next slide we are dealing all of them. Ingredient, you are already aware, that means raw material, and atta is for making roti. Then edible means which we can eat, banana fruit. Then nectar, in what you call in Hindi shahad, the sweet liquid that bees collect from flowers to make honey. This one is beehive. इसमें क्या करते हैं? Bees collect nectar, right? They collect sweet liquid. They take those sweet liquid from flowers, right? Then sprouted seeds, germinated seeds. What you call in Hindi is अंकुरित बीज, right? सबसे पहले अंकुरन किसका आ जाता है? मूंग, right? Then next is herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Herbivores eat only plant, animals eat only animals, carnivores eat only animals. Then omnivores, plants as well as animals. Their examples you are already aware. Then next number first question is, do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? Answer is no, because just cat, every person, okay, every human being, their mode of eating is different, and the food that cat eats we do not eat, right? So every living organism, their food are different. Number second is, name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Brinjal fruit, groundnut seed, potato stems, spinach leaves, beetroot roots. Then number third is, match the items given in column A and column B. These are already matched, so just look here. All these food items are animal product. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot, these are vegetables. Lion, tiger eat other animals. Herbivores eat plant and plant product. Very good. Now question number 4, fill up the blank with the words given. Right, number first is, tiger is carnivores. Very good. Why? Because it eats only meat. Then deer eats only plant products, so it is herbivore. Parrot eats only plant products. Then number D is, the milk that we drink, which comes from cows, buffalo and goat, is an animal product. And E is, we get sugar from sugarcane. Then this is your assignment. You have to complete this in your science copy. Question number 1 is, find out the names of plants that grow in water and which are eaten as food. So write names of any 5 plants. Number 2, prepare a table. You have to draw this table and fill up all these blanks. You have to write examples here. Examples of animals which are herbivores. Rest 4 examples of carnivores animals apart from lion. Then omnivores, 4 examples. Dog is already written. 4 other examples you have to write here. Complete all these assignments and submit in the group. Thank you.